Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English B. Yesterday we learnt about adjectives and its types. Today we are going to learn about degrees of adjectives. Degrees of adjectives are also called degrees of comparison. There are three degrees of adjectives or comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Comparative and superlative degrees are used for comparison. Positive degree is not used to compare things. We use comparative degree when we have to compare two things, whereas superlative degree is used when we have to compare three or more than three things. Let's see the use of positive degree in sentences. Sam is a tall person. And second example is, this is a small ball. Here, tall and small are positive degrees of adjectives. Let's see the use of degrees of comparison in sentences. The first sentence is, Sam is a tall boy. Here, tall is positive degree. The second sentence is, Shyam is taller than Sam. Here, taller is comparative degree. Here we are making a comparison between two persons, so we are using comparative degree. The third sentence is, Ali is the tallest among all. Tallest is the superlative degree. This degree is used to make a comparison between among three or the more than three persons or things. Let's see one more example about the use of degrees of comparison. The first sentence is, the strawberry is big. This is positive degree. The second sentence is, the apple is bigger than the strawberry. Here we have used comparative degree of comparison. The last sentence is, the watermelon is the biggest of the fruits. This is the superlative degree of comparison. Here students, keep one thing in mind, that we use the definite article before the superlative degree, the biggest. Now let's see how to form degrees of comparison. We form degrees of comparison by adding ER in comparative degree and EST in superlative degree. For example, bright, brighter, brightest; cold, colder, coldest; strong, stronger, strongest. Sometimes we form comparative and superlative degrees by adding just R and ST, because we already have E at the end of the word. For example, fine, finer, finest; wise, wiser, wisest; white, whiter, whitest. Sometimes we form comparative and superlative degrees by adding more and most before the adjective. We do so when we have a multisyllable adjective. For example, uncommon, more uncommon, most uncommon; unusual, more unusual, most unusual; adorable, more adorable, most adorable; delightful, more delightful, most delightful. Some degrees of comparison are irregular. They are not formed by adding ER or EST and more and most. For example, good, better, best; bad, worse, worst; little, less, least. I hope you have learned today's lesson about the degrees of comparison. Now solve the given assessment. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.